Hi everybody, Mike with Enviroscape LA, and this is a glorious day. We're actually here at school in Torrance, South Bay Junior Academy. We're actually building a pond, but it's not just any pond. This is an aquaponics system that's tied in with a pond. Now the reason you want to do a pond in anywhere, in your yard, front yard, backyard, wherever you're at, is because it brings in the pollinators. It's not just another pretty thing to look at, but it's actually beneficial for the environment. It gives water to the birds and butterflies, but you can have wet pets, fish. It's really fun. Anyway, what makes this system so different and unique, I'll show you a few things here. So it's a beautiful waterfall here. We're getting the planting done. Compliments of Randy, thank you. Garden butterfly design. We've also got here, we've got a vertical garden, and what this is, we're going to actually put lettuce and chard, and we're going to put them in these little pockets right here, these little black baskets. We're going to put rock wool in here, and if we take a closer look, we've actually got pond water, which is live water because it's going to have live stuff in it because of the fish and fish fertilizer. And it comes up from the top and it billows down. Let's take a look at this water. Don't know if you got a shot of this, but check out the water that's there. So it goes here, goes in through the holes here, and then it goes into here, and then it's going to be on a timer, every 15 minutes on, 15 minutes off, and it's going to grow organic produce, pesticide-free, herbicide-free, biocide-free. It's really a beautiful thing. We did add an autofill on here. We added a pond filter, and of course, thanks to Awasa, Living Water.USA, we've actually got, or .com, excuse me, Awasa / North America. Look up Awasa pumps. They're truly the world's best pumps. 3,600 gallons per hour, only 150 watts. Doesn't get any better than that. Look at the flow on that thing. It's just phenomenal. So we're 90% done here. Just wanted to give you an idea of how this thing's going and how sustainability, we need to go beyond sustainability. It needs to be about regeneration. We need to really make a commitment to the future now, and that's through regenerative gardening, healing the planet. And then we sustain that. It's Mike from Enviroscape LA signing off. When you think sustainability and regeneration, think Enviroscape LA.